Welcome back to MadMods PC Modding, and today we're going to take a look at the Rakk Sinaya Gaming Case. I don't have the PC components right now to make a full build, thus this overview. Starting off with taking it outside the box. There are a couple of styrofoam stuff in there as well as plastic that protects the case. This is a mid-tower that stands 425mm in length, 210mm in width, and 492mm in height. The front of the case has some sort of gunmetal gray brushed aluminum finish on the sides, and it looks like it can carry lots and lots of wind with that meshed front panel. Something that I've always admired with cases at this price point. The front panel is easily removable and the front I/O wires don't go along with it. Thank you for doing that, and this is how every case should be designed moving forward. Up top is the front I/O, so just take a good look at what's going on. Props to the included magnetic dust filters to the top and front portions of this case. This top panel can also hold the dual 120 or 140mm fan. If you are going to use an AIO on the top panel, you should stick with a 240mm radiator. With the front panel removed, we have the front fan mounts. We normally use it for intake fans. This can hold 3 120 or 140mm fans. Also, you can squeeze in a slim 360mm radiator behind it, thanks to the small cutout on the PSU cover. We have a tempered glass side panel with a thickness of 3.5mm. Then inside the case, of course, the motherboard tray. Now it says that it can hold up to an EATX motherboard, which is true because you can see that the holes for routing the 24-pin as well as the SATA or any other cables that you might need to connect to the motherboard has been extended near the front area of the case. There's a bag of accessories inside the case which contains some Velcro straps, a smaller bag of screws, plus a couple of more, vertical GPU mount. Now this for me is a very nice addition to this case. It eliminates you having to buy an aftermarket bracket. Apparently you have to pick up your own PCIe Riser if you wish to use this kind of mounting option for your graphics card. The rear fan mount can only hold a single 120mm fan. That goes for a radiator as well. The Sinaya also has a built-in PSU cover with a cutout so you can still show off your true rated power supply. Going to the back of the case, I'm very sad to say, but we only have 0.56 of an inch for cable management. I guess we really can't have everything after all. But we have a couple of SSD trays and a modular hard drive cage inside the PSU cover. Still, for the price of 2,000 pesos or around 45 to 50 US dollars, this case is still a banger. It directly competes with their Rakk Sinaya ATX. And I hope this video helps you with the purchasing decision. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. The build in this case will come very soon. Question is, should I mod it or should I install custom water cooling? Let me know in the comment section. That's all. Peace. I'm out.